This is an 80-foot GulfStar Sailboat. She is one of one, and we were hired to completely rewire the boat from stem to stern. Essentially, there was not a wire left in the vessel. Everything replaced. The only thing original in the boat is the engine and the two generators, and those have been overhauled. Interior's been redone, exterior full paint job, running gear worked, mast removed, mast reworked. Everything has been redone. My name is Maxwell. I'm the owner of Kraken Marine, a marine electric company in Fort Lauderdale, Florida. The owner of the vessel was very adamant about really lighting the boat up, so we kind of took that idea and ran with it. I've worked with Lumitec in the past. Lumitec makes a superior product, beautiful lights, and not having to run dimming modules and whatnot. Ease of installation, 2-wire hookup, really made it easy, and I think it really came out great. For courtesy lights, we have the orbit lights. I believe we have 25 of them going around the deck. In the cockpit, we have the Mirage lights in the overhead. We also have some Mirage lights as courtesy inside of the cockpit. We have a Caprera light illuminating the boom. We have a Zephyr at the end of the boom to give illumination to the stern of the boat. On the mast, we gave some illumination with the Cayman lights and a forward deck spreader Maxwell light. And all the engine room, bilges, compartments, we have the Nevis lights. Interior overhead, we're all Mirage. Courtesies, we have Andros lights throughout the interior. Working with Lumitec's been great. We did need some tech support at times here, and they were real quick to get the engineers out here and help us solve our problems. I think Lumitec provides a superior product. I think the finish and overall quality is better than anything else out there. I would absolutely recommend Lumitec products to anyone looking to light up their vessel, and I have.